Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, let's get mowing. So anytime you want to do maintenance, change the blades, sharpen the blades, clean the mower deck out, just press and hold the plus sign for 3 seconds, and it will raise the deck up for you. It's got two 8-inch blades giving you a total swath of 16 inches of cutting power. And they are real rotary blades. And best of all, you can set the RPMs all the way up to 6,000 RPMs if you want to go nutty. You know, us Americans, more power. Ho, ho, ho. And then with a simple 3-second press on the minus sign, and the deck will lower back down and be ready for you to mow.
Starting mowing now.
I'll take this opportunity while Lymow 1 is making me look good, and I'll trim some of my shrubberies around the AC unit. Pro tip: you always want to make sure to have a good amount of space between your landscaping and your AC unit. You never want to have this blocked up. You want good airflow in there. Much improved on the software tech. When it detects slip, as you saw right there, it starts right back up on its own. First it shuts the blades off, it repositions itself, all automated, and then starts up again. Here I'm just recording bits and parts where it's going in a zigzag formation back and forth toward the fence line, and so far so good. Not a single time is it really bumping that fence. It's avoiding it, and it's mowing nice and consistent lines back and forth to the fence. Second instance where it encountered some slippage. As you can see, the blades shut off, and then it just on its own repositions itself and starts up again without me having to interfere and clear the air.
Bad little baby, oh, I'm hot like tea. I'm a bad little chick with a body on me like no ring, ring, ring. Never met a girl like me in his dreams. Lit like big with a face so mean. All the bad boys trying to get with me. No ring, 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 but they ain't got him hooked like me.
I bet don't do it. The morning calls, baby, you know that I won't pick up at the moment. I left the flowers right at your door, 'cause it's the only way I show you that I'm sorry.
I'm really just giving you a call 'cause I haven't talked to you all day. So when you get this message, could you please just give me a call back?
It's time to let you go. I'm not pretending, listen, we're busy hiding the truth. Bad connection, bad connection. So condescending, just forget it, I got nothing to lose. Bad connection, bad connection. Girl, wake up.
Bad little baby, oh, I'm hot like tea. I'm a bad little chick with a body on me like no ring, ring, ring. Never met a girl like me